I know that there are a lot of other materials that can prevent slips, no? So, one is using anti-slip tape. The other one is using mga anti-slip mats. The other one is using tiles replacement. And another one is chemical reaction, no? So, with regards naman sa mga anti-slip tape, well, yung maintenance, so tatagal ng ilang buwan, but then again, later on, you have to replace. So, all of these materials are okay, no? But we were looking for a material that would last longer. Yung mas konti yung maintenance, di ba? Kasi ang hassle, papalitan mo yung tape, ang hassle, ililisin mo yung lagi yung mat, and then, of course, ayaw natin mapalit ng tiles dahil magastos. So, here at BuildRight, we'd like to introduce to you our new product, Top Slip for Tiles, no? So, ang brand niya is Top Slip Tiles. Ayan. Basically, this is a clear product, and at the same time, it has already some invisible micro aggregates inside. So, hindi mo na kailangan kumuha na aggregates and then broadcast. So, it's together, you just mix it, and then using a paint pan, and then mix, and then pour it over, and then use a textured roller, and then you can apply. Very, very easy. So, it's a DIY product for your shower areas. The product is also good for mga lanay natin, so laundry area natin, sa mga pathways na may tiles. So, Top Slip Tiles is here to prevent you from any slips on tiles. And kung gusto naman nyo ng product sa mga concrete steps ninyo, sa mga exit areas or sa mga hallways na medyo exposed sa ulan, you can use another product which is Top Slip Grip for concrete naman yon.